Alright, I think it's best if I do one more right before I go to sleep. After all, drawing dinosaurs is part of my to-do list. And for those who are drawing this stuff, I should remind you that if you're watching this, then you're the best assortment of fans that I've ever met. And I thank you for that. You guys have brought my channel to its peak, and I thank you guys for doing that. Anyway, let's get started on tonight's creature. Do you remember the woolly rhino? You know, Colodonta. Let me just bring up the book. Where did I put it? Ah, here it is. Let's see, here it is right here. The woolly rhino that I drew earlier was known as Colodonta, a prehistoric rhino that was seen in the series Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. However, in this episode, I'll be drawing another woolly rhino. Only this one has a different name. The name of this woolly rhino is known as Elasmotherium, which debuted on its first premiere on Prehistoric Park. Elasmotherium had a huge horn on the edge of its nose, and it used that huge horn to protect itself from predators. And, well, technically it's for showing off to attract mates, and for other nefarious reasons. If you guys have any concern on what made Elasmotherium so popular on Prehistoric Planet, well, the guy who hosts Prehistoric Planet, he made the right choice of bringing back a woolly rhino and bringing it to the conservatory known as Prehistoric Park. He made the right choice. Yeah, he did. Now it's living a nice, warm life on the grasslands under adult supervision and protection. Alexa, what is Elasmotherium?
The last Ethereum is a hypothetical concept. The Ethereum blockchain has an infinite supply, and there is no specific last Ethereum token.
Sorry about that. Alexa, can you tell me about the rhino known as Elasmotherium?
The rhino named Queenie was born in Cotswold Wildlife Park in Gardens in southern England and was given her name to commemorate Queen Elizabeth's 70th year on the throne.
Alright. Alexa, what is Elasmotherium?
Elasmotherium is an extinct genus of large rhinoceros endemic to Eurasia during Late Miocene through to the Late Pleistocene, with the youngest reliable dates around 39,000 years ago.
Ha! I knew I'd get that one right. And would you look at that? I've actually got it done. I actually drew it. I actually got her attention. Anyway, remember Colodonta? Walking with Prehistoric Beasts was where it first appeared on. And, well, Elasmotherium, well, I can't believe I actually drew two woolly rhinos on this series. That actually made it pretty amazing, if you ask me. Let's see, where did I put the DVD? Let's see here. Could this be it? No. Let's see here. Let's see. Give me a minute. On second thought, perhaps I should put it in another episode. Perhaps I should put it in a short film. Much like I promised in the last episode. I'll do the same thing with this one. You can guarantee it.